Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Kiddwaya blows hot. He said, if I have won the 85 million prize money, I wouldn't have given Erica a dime. Big Brother Naija Season 5 evicted housemate Kiddwaya has noted that if he had won the competition, he would not give his love interest Erica a dime out of the prize money. His intention comes on the back of what his father Kiddwaya had earlier said about giving Erica half of his 85 million naira. According to the billionaire's son, if he had won the wholesome money, he would have put it into a foundation whose objective is to help the poor and the needy. Enjoy the video.
Okay, if you win the money, you would share it with Erica, like giving Erica all of it. I'm just saying, maybe out of love,
But the money would have went to better use. It would have went straight to my foundation.
Okay. Cool.
For charity work. And I've always maintained that.
Yeah.
Not a penny would have went to anyone else because of the people who actually need it.
Mm.
Me and Erica have our own arrangement, like we work something out, but
Alright, cool.
I've always said if I win the money, it goes straight to my foundation. And that is used to uplift and help people who need it. So
She's just a very, very good heart. And really, if my son should win this, I will make sure that he gives her half of his winning. He gives her half of the winning, and then the rest have to charity. To charity. So